In this video, I'll show you how to create a calendar in Google Docs. If you want to make a simple monthly calendar in Google Docs, the easiest way is to build it with a table. This gives you a clean layout you can customize for any month. First, open a blank Google Docs document. Click where you want the calendar to appear, then go to Insert and choose Table. For a standard monthly calendar, create a table with 7 columns for the days of the week and enough rows for the weekday names and the dates. Now type the name of the month at the top of the page, like July 2026 or August 2026. Under that, use the first row of the table for the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. After that, fill in the numbered dates in the correct positions based on which day the month starts on. Once the dates are in place, you can start formatting the calendar so it looks better. Drag the column borders to make each day box wider and adjust the row height so you have more room to add notes, reminders, or events. You can also bold the weekday names, center the text, and use colors to make weekends or important dates stand out. If you want a reusable version, save the document as your own calendar template. You can also just duplicate your finished file each month and update the dates instead of creating a new one from scratch every time. There is also another option if you want something connected to Google Calendar, but if your goal is a visual printable calendar inside a document, using a table is still the better method. So to create a calendar in Google Docs, open a blank doc, insert a table, label the days of the week, add the dates, and then format the table to match the style you want. It's simple, customizable, and works well for planning, printing, or sharing. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.